last week I created a new weekly spread. This is the new weekly spread. It worked out very well. Actually, I just enjoy having more space to write my to-do list. In a perfect world, would I prefer to have the habit tracker in a different spot? Yes. I do like it over here just to give the to-do list more space. So yeah, I'll still keep playing around with it. I like this top section. I like having the intention of the week up here. I do read it aloud, and it was nice just to, have that right at the top of the page. But you don't want to hear all that. You want to get on with the weekly spread. So let's get on to creating our new weekly spread. But first, I'm going to do January 2025. And we are on the week of January 12th through the 18th. Go ahead and put my intention of the week. Hey everyone, before we get into the intention of the week, I thought I'd give you a little backstory so the intention actually makes sense. On Sunday, after I posted my Sunday video, we had a very large snowstorm here in Cincinnati. I ended up working from home all the entire week, which at first I thought it was great because I could journal as much as I wanted. I could work on my journal-annuary thing that I had decided that I was going to do, where I would post a short every day for the month of January, and I was working. So that was great at first, but the lack of social interaction combined with the gloomy skies and working and stuff made me just very depressed. And by Wednesday, Thursday, I barely wanted to get out of bed. So I am feeling better now. Here's a creepy Santa. That's why I didn't do my video for Thursday, and also the intention of the week. I intend to plan for and learn from the seasons of life. Future Alicia depends on how I safeguard her mental and physical health today and every day, and I will do better to make winter a time of reflection. I do a quote of the week on my weekly spread videos, but this week I did not do that, or I haven't done it yet because I'm all filled up back here, and this is where I normally put my quotes. So this week, and maybe going forward until I fill up this notebook, I'm gonna try putting my weekly quote down here. I may just do this from now on. That way I can actually see the quote every week. I do like having kind of a stockpile in the back as well. I don't know, because sometimes I do flip back there and just look and think about different things. So I don't know. We will see. But okay, and here's our quote of the week. I just barely fit it down here. I should have given myself another line, but I made it. Spring comes and one remembers one's innocence. Summer passes and one remembers one's exuberance. Autumn passes and one remembers one's reverence. Winter passes and one remembers one's perseverance. And that is by Yoko Ono. Okay, and I'm going to take this and put just a little highlight for that word. Perseverance. Now I'm going to add my habit tracker. Down here, I'm going to do my just kind of heads up for the coming 2 weeks. So I'm going to go ahead and put that here in the bottom half. And then this half is going to be my goals. So I'll go ahead and put that like that. And then I'm going to do Q1 goals for this week. Like, what are the top 3 things that I need to do in order for this week to be considered successful? Uh-oh, I don't have enough space. There we go. Yes. Okay, so this is page 1 of my weekly spread. All right, now I'm going to continue. And so I'm going to divide this page up into 7 roughly equal sections, and that way I'll have a line for each day of the week to do my to-dos, and also to do, what else do I do? Yeah, to-dos and events for the day, or meetings, or things like that. So appointments, you know. So what I did last week was I went ahead and I made these little, I don't know if you can really see them, I made these little hash marks. What do I call them, hash marks? What do we want to call them? I made these little marks on the page. So now I don't have to sit there and measure each section out if I don't want to. I could just go and try and just kind of line it up like so. That may or may not work. I'm going to take a pencil. I'm kind of nervous about this, so I'm going to take a pencil and just, but if you don't feel like doing that, it's, for my notebook, it's every 6 dots down, and I just do that. Sometimes I am okay with counting the dots, and sometimes I am not. Sometimes I'd rather just go ahead and cheat. Okay, so now we have our equal sections. I'm going to go ahead and use a ruler for this part. Voila. Okay. And keep on going down the page. So I'm going to put the days of each week, and then I'll go ahead and kind of devote this half of the page to my to-do list, and then this side for events. And yeah, that just really helps me kind of keep everything organized in my mind, I guess. There we go. Ooh. They're not going to line up all the way down. Dang it, no! Messing up the visual. What do I want to do? Can I? Okay, if I went maybe over 2 squares. All right, just bear with me, y'all. All right, if I went over like 2 squares. Yeah. All right, correction tape saves the day. That's what we want. That's it. All right, I put 3 squares for Sunday, and generally I don't do 3 to-dos on Sunday. What I do is I put a heart here to remind myself to rest and get ready, save up my energy for the week ahead. And lately what I've been, or at least what I've been inspiring to do, I've been writing down, I haven't actually been doing it, is putting some sort of self-care thing on Sundays. So last week it was mani-pedi, and I did not do that. I did do my nails, but I did them yesterday, which was Friday. Still haven't done the pedicure. I don't, just don't look at my feet. It's wintertime. You're not looking at my feet. So I'm gonna put a little question mark in pencil right there because I do want to do something. So this is my weekly spread. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this helped give you some inspiration for your weekly spread. I'm still working out and tweaking everything. I do like this much better than what I had even like 2 weeks ago. Yeah, just the chaos here. So I do feel that this is working out better for me. It just gives me a sense of order and peace. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful week. If you're feeling a little bit down because of the weather, I hope you start to find those things that help you feel a little more boosted, a little more lifted at this time of year. I know it's rough. I'm there with you. I'm going to give you the upside down wave. I feel like I've just lost the ability to talk. I'm like, I don't know. But I'm going to give you the upside down wave. Upside down wave. Goodbye. week. Get all this stuff